Hello my people, after this video I'm sure that you are going to be monetized in just 30 days. If you know that this video is amazing for you, it's helpful, just make sure you subscribe to this channel and share to your friends who need this message. Okay, I'm going to show you the really strategy you can just apply to your channel and get monetized as soon as possible if you agree. And watch this video until the end and you'll be amazing. This is a magic. It works very clearly. Okay, just what you need to know, comment, suggest anything that you want me to talk about, and then I come after and I will explain anything that you want. Just make sure you have turned on the notification so that any video that I will be dropping on this channel, you'll be the first person to get it on time. Okay, you are asking yourself, what can I do? Okay, things are not going well. Okay, in this January, after this January and the end of this January, you'll be monetized if you apply this strategy that I'm going to show you on your channel. Even if you have many subscribers or not, just do as I say. Okay, we are actually talking about YouTube algorithm, how to win YouTube algorithm. Okay, how to make YouTube recommend your videos in short time. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you the really way you can just do just to make sure that your YouTube is recommendable everywhere. Okay, just watch and get knowledge. Okay, as you can see, this video has got more than 6k views. As you can see, this channel has 3 videos, and it is going viral because just I applied this strategy that I'm going to tell you on it. And if you are doing this, make sure you do it well so that you'll be getting the result in time, and even everything that you will need. Just watch this video until the end. Okay, the really message is, what you need to do, you are going to be, the first thing you need to do, you need to apply good thumbnail and titles on your videos. Okay, thumbnails are important to your videos. Okay, even hashtags, stop putting hashtags on your title, because nobody will go to search anything on YouTube start with hashtag. Okay, a good way to apply hashtags is to apply them in the description only, because if you apply hashtag in a title, that one will be killing your views and will not be discovered easily because you are uploading your titles wrong way. Okay, another thing you need to do, you need to create videos that are interested. Okay, the first thing you need to do, you are going to look at your past videos and see those videos and look at those videos that we are getting attention more than others. And I recommend you to keep creating the same videos to those of you who to those that got many views more than others. Another thing you need to do before you even apply this strategy that I'm going to tell you is this one. Okay, you need to create your content regularly. If you decide to create to upload twice in the week, you must follow that way you have decided to be dropping your content. Okay, don't say that don't give up in yourself. Okay, the main strategy I'm going to tell you is this one. Okay, And this one, nobody will tell you to do this if you do not see that it has helped you. Okay, you will come back and tell me, bro, these things that you told us, they are not working. Okay, and me, I will say, and if it helped you, you will come back and say, thanks, bro, you have did it. Okay. The first thing you look at is just 4 to 5 accounts, different accounts that you are using. Okay, emails accounts. Okay, let's say that it's your mom account, your sister's account, your brother's account, your mom account, or your friend account. Okay, that is the first thing you should have. Okay, the next thing you will be doing is to upload a video. After uploading a video, just wait for 3 to 5 hours after uploading your video. And if you wait those 3 hours until the end, okay, just go to one of those accounts I have told you. Even if it's yourself, it's you created them, okay, it's okay. Even if it's the account belongs to your friend, to your mom, to your sister, to your brother, yeah, I don't care. It's just what you care. It's just a different account to one of yours, okay. And you will go and look for the one of those accounts and open the video. Okay, watch watch that video you have uploaded. Okay, after watching it, in the middle, okay, apply those important things. Okay, like the video, comment on the video, and share everything you need to do positive you need to do in that video. Do it. Okay, don't stop there and watch it until the end and quit and switch to another account. Okay, and do the same thing as you did to that one you have done. And if you done, okay, don't apply the same things in on the in the single account. Okay, apply after watching, leave it. Okay, go to another one, the first one, the second one, the fourth, the fifth. Okay, as you can do. If you do it, if you do that like 4 times, okay, YouTube will discover that there is people who are watching your videos and who are interested in your videos, and YouTube will start recommend your videos and to the people who are need it, and you see that your videos are getting attention. Okay, as this one I have shown you, this channel just has it has only 3 videos, and as you can see, they are getting attention because of that strategy I have applied on it. And if you need to grow faster, you have to do as I say. This strategy, it's going to help you growing faster. In just 30 days, you'll be getting your monetization and start making money on YouTube. What you need to do, if this video was helpful to you, just subscribe to this channel, share, like, and if you need to tell me anything, if you need to ask me anything, to request anything from me, just what you need to do, make sure you have dropped your message in this comment section, and I'll be replying you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Until next time.